Hello mga kasimanwa, welcome to my vlog. Ayan, papunta na naman uli ako sa aming garden, guys. Ayan, so garden time. Ang ganda ng panahon. Mag alas 7 na ng gabi, pero ayan o, ano pa rin, maaraw pa rin. Kakarating lang namin galing sa beach. What you gonna plant this time? Oh no, I forgot my basket.
Oh.
Can you get my basket in the kitchen, please?
Oh no.
Please.
These are beetroot, which are actually runner beans, not beetroot.
Yeah,
And these marigolds, which look like beetroot.
I think maybe that's the beetroot.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a beetroot. So you're gonna get a basket there, and then the scissor. Please, thank you. So habang nagkukuha si Jo ng punta muna tayo dito. Ayan o, yung kamatis, meron na silang mga bunga dyan. Hindi makita. So, mga salad leaves, ayan. Yung crochet, malalaki na rin. Zucchini, yung tawag sa sa ibang pangalan. Ayan, so ayan, mag-harvest ako niya ng mga dahon-dahon. Ayan, so ito yung chives. Masarap din kainin yan. Ayan, so pasok tayo sa loob. Ayan, marami na siya sigurong ayan, malalaki na may mga bulaklak na yung ibang yun yung mga salad. So I think mag-spray siya mamaya o tomorrow. Ayun, may mga na yung broccoli. Ayan, meron na yung isa doon sa dulo. Yun, may na siya. So dito yung onion, malalaki na rin. Yung marigold tsaka yung spinach. Ayan, yung strawberries, ayan, malalaki na rin sila. Yung sa loob, ayan, malalaki na rin. Tsaka yung iba magmumulaklak pa lang. Dito tayo. Ito naman yung cabbage. Yung cabbage na yan. Ito yung mga cabbage. Or, di ko lang alam, cabbage. Ito ba? Narito ako. At saka mayroon siyang cauliflower yata. Ayan. So, ito naman yung patatas, guys. May bulaklak na. Ayan. Pwede na yung anihin one day. Ayan. Tsaka yung mga sibuyas, guys. Super laki. Parang giant sibuyas. Ayan sila, Ayan. Ang laki, no? Hindi ko alam kung sibuyas ba ito. Ayan. Ang lalaki, no? Hanggang malapit ko na sa ko, guys. Malapit na sa dito ko, sa may hips. Ayan. So ito dito, ayun yung mga courgette, marami-rami na rin. At ang lalaki na ng kanyang mais. Ayan, mais. Ito dito is sibuyas din. Lalaki ng sibuyas. So, hanggang tuhod ko ito. At ito, wala na. Kinain na ng mga Ay, wala na sila. Ayan yung blueberries. Ayan, kinakain sila. Ay, naku. Joe,
Yes.
the blueberry they eating.
I think they don't eat. I think when it's windy, it kept blowing over. I think they fall off. Or maybe they eat.
Yeah, can you cover it, please?
Yeah.
Bring it back. Because before there's many.
Bring it to the greenhouse.
Yes, please. Now no more. I'm so disappointed. I don't need that one. I don't need.
Oh, Han, can you pick like every other one and then I can plant the seeds?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, ayan. Mangunguha ako ng, ang dami nila garden peas. Ayan. So, ayan. So, dito muna ako. This is the beetroot here. The big one.
Turnips.
Turnips. I'm always thinking that's the
God,
beetroot. I always think that's a beetroot.
Do you think we can manage a couple more of these here?
Yeah. So, are you going to eat the... Well, they're big ones.
The turnips?
No.
Beetroot, radish.
Yeah.
Like, you know, wow.
Ayan, guys. We pick a little bit for today and tomorrow.
Yeah.
Do you think this? Because some of this is the beetroot. I got beetroot here.
Have you?
Yeah, this. I think maybe this is the
No.
beetroot, Joe.
It's not, is it? No, that's a radish.
This is beetroot. Look, it's purple. Ayan, ayan. Oh.
That's radish, purple radish. Beetroot, this one.
Is this beetroot?
No, that's, oh, that looks like beetroot.
Yeah, that's beetroot.
I don't know, but I'm confused.
Your plant, you confused.
Yeah, I know this is turnips. I think those onions I can pull out, yeah? I put some more.
Which
This,
one?
yeah.
These onions.
Is
The onions.
Lapsap.
Let's see. No, they're still growing, Joe. Leave it. Let's see. Yeah, they're still growing. Don't worry.
I'll put it in the middle anyway.
Yeah. Can you just take that out first? Because I'm... So this is radish, yeah? Yeah, this is
Yes.
radish. Ayan, radish. Yung
I'll take these
pula.
covers off, fun.
Huh?
I'll take this cover off, this one.
No, never take the cover. Because there's so many things that's been eaten.
So we need to put.
Yeah. Yeah, if you take that out and then I pick, yeah. And then you put it back, don't take out permanent.
No.
Do you know what I mean?
Temporary.
Yes. Ayan. Ano, pag malaki na pala sila na bumubuka. Ayan. Kaya hindi pwede silang lumaki. Pero kukuha lang ako ng makakain namin kasi sayang kasi pag kuha tapos hindi makain. Meron pa ako doon bumili ng 2 weeks ago sa supermarket. Kaya ayan, maliit pa naman yung iba. So it's okay, pero yung malalaki katulad nito. Oh no, this is beetroot. Hindi to, ano to?
Oh, the potatoes have flowers now.
Yeah, I saw that one. Ito, oh. Hindi ko alam kung beetroot to. Is it, your, what's it called? The radish is, multicolor.
Looks like it.
Yeah. Because, there. Ayan. So, kunti-kunti lang muna, guys. Kasi sayang kasi. I just pick a little bit, yeah. Ayan. I think we pick this tomorrow because it's not ready yet.
Yeah, these rockets as well. Can pick.
Yeah, I will pick the rocket. Only the salad I picked today.
Oh, and then there's
I'm going to
some
pick.
big lettuce.
I think tomorrow we pick that. Only these small things, small leaves first. Ayan, malaki na yung last time na kinakuha. Ayan. Marami na kasi ito, makakain din to eh, yung dahon niya. Ayan. Sayang naman kasi pag na-harvest tapos hindi makain.
Yeah, inside has a big lettuce.
Yeah, can we try not to take?
Not today.
Yeah, no, because it's so much at the moment.
I'm going to pull these out because they're all flowered to be bitter.
What
That's something else.
you're gonna pull?
The French salad, these ones.
No, just leave it, Joe.
Because it's all flowered
Okay.
and no leaves.
Yeah.
They're very small leaves.
This is, you know, the rocket is good for the liver, yeah? To cleanse the liver. Yan. Maganda ito sa atay. Kasi nakahugas siya ng... Oh. So guys, marami na akong na-harvest. So babalik na ako. Ayan na yung na-harvest ko. Yung ito, bukas na lang ako na lang mag-harvest nito kasi ayan o, wala naman akong paglulutuan yan. So, ayan ang lalaki. Ang laki niya o. Ayan. Ang taba-taba. Ayan. Saka ito. What's this for? Why you put this for?
Oh, for the shiny things. Keep the birds away.
Ah, okay. Ayan. So, ayun, naka-isang basket ako, guys. Ayan. Ganda ng ating harvest. Ito, nabulaklak dito. You wanna try the flower?
Yeah, put it in your basket. I'll try it later.
No, here.
No, I've got to do this first.
Here. Ta-da! Quick. What it tastes like?
Peppery.
Yeah. It's good, isn't it?
Like
So-
mustard.
Yeah, what's in there again? What's in there again, Hal?
Brussels sprouts and cabbage and lettuce. Onions, garlic.
Ah, Brussels sprouts.
Mm.
So that the one next to that tall one is Brussels sprout, I guess.
Yes, a couple of them are Brussels sprouts. I don't know which ones.
Ah, okay then. So
Yeah,
see,
they grow like long stalks.
can I
so-
have the keys?
Yeah.
So I was no key, not.
Oh.
Is that electronic? Our house.
Yeah, I was thinking.
All right.
Fun.
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
Bye.
Right, can you take these?
Which one? Oh no, I can't because I have my hands full. You do that. And make sure you put back that stuff, Han.
Okay.
You put back all the net.
I've got a water as well.
Okay. Ayan guys. Uwi na ako. So, what's the time?
7:20.
7:20. Ayan, 7:20 pero ayan, mainit pa rin siya, guys. Andyan pa rin yung araw, mataas pa rin. At super nice ng panahon ngayon. Ayan, ayan, green na green, guys. Green na green. Ayan is a oak tree. Marami siyang oxygen dito na maganda yung quality ng air pag mayroong ganitong puno ng oak tree. Ayan. So, uwian time. Punta muna tayo sa lake. Ayan. Punta tayo sa lake. Tingnan natin kung ano ang meron. Yan. May wrong duck. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please huwag kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, at mag-iwan na rin ng comment. Salamat sa inyong support. Thank you for watching. Bye!